Wait, aren't we supposed to like take our helmets off for a second and say something?
Yeah.
Got him. Oh my goodness.
Okay, Isaac, I am done fucking around here. Danik has ships. We can take one, get out of here. If you care at all about Ellie, you will do this. For her.
Haven't you been paying attention? We're the only hope of saving our entire race.
There is no hope, Isaac. None. The best we can hope for is to survive and get the hell off this planet.
Yeah, so the mouse is, it's like, would you say it's like significantly different?
It's the same, it just has even more DPI if you wanted it.
Oh, okay.
Like 96,000 or something outrageous.
Oh.
Okay, I think we gotta... Okay, yeah, it sent us back quite a ways even though I hit. Can you? I always do. All right.
Well, wait, is that the... I think the drill's still fucked. Oh, maybe not.
There'll be some dudes in here, I think. Yeah.
Oh, little beggars! Oh!
He's crawling towards you. Oh, I got a dude on me.
So, kind of blends in. Oh, shit.
Getting smacked up, son.
God dang.
Good thing we're still getting small health packs all the time.
There's still a guy here.
Oh, kill his ass.
Excuse me, sir.
Check your asshole, sir.
There we go. Oh yeah.
It's fine because I cut this out of the last video.
Nice.
Chapters are real long when we do the optional missions.
Yeah, for real. What the heck?
Oh.
But vamp so rapidly I never even see what I'm picking up.
Yeah.
Bum bum.
Yeah, we look real cool.
Ah, yeah.
What the hell? I don't like that.
Dunked him. Oh, what the?
Don't forget to bring a towel. Get that spider.
Yeah.
Dog.
Oop.
Oh, he went flying. Cameron, I think it's safe to say we're officially done fucking around.
Yeah. Finally. Yeah, those guys are squirrely.
Yeah. Scab, but some loot over here.
Excellent.
Hey guys, I'm back.
Oh, thank God. Did you find all the Senso packs?
Yep, I'll use the bench down here to fabricate it. Hold on.
We're supposed to use the bench? Darn.
Son of a bee.
Probe.
Get your scab bots.
Give me a probe, mister. Who can old boomers we are?
Y'all.
Basically a boomer.
Yeah. Millennial boomer.
Not even millennial anymore.
Who's that? Don't worry about it.
Don't worry about it. Yes.
We need to talk to this lady. We need to redo the laser bits. Probably.
Oh.
Go to that laser on the right.
Oh. Yeah.
Or grappling
Gotcha.
hook. Yeah. Them crab legs off of her.
It's apparatus.
Isaac, you'll need to ride the cage out to the opening. Norton, can you help us?
Wow, gotta be kidding me.
This guy's never up for anything.
I just need you to lower me down.
Yeah, you should
Yeah, whatever.
definitely be able to shoot
Get in the
this
cage.
guy.
Captain Dick and Balls.
Yeah.
Not even doing anything. He's just lowering us down. Oh, you gotta be kidding me, bro.
Smoking around like. I want to.
Are you bringing your grenade launcher?
Yes.
I should have. Because the
Alright,
probe
thank
gun.
Oh.
Probe gun's a lot like my machine gun. So that was all I was gonna use.
Exactly?
Then I ended
Yeah,
up
I
blowing
I
myself
almost-
up in the corridors.
I almost brought the
And then
not
Put
grenade
a probe
gun
into it, I suppose.
edition.
My telemetry should light up and we'll have the location of the machine. Finally, something simple,
Light
right?
you up, girl.
right.
Wrong. Locate
Synapses.
synapses. This crunchy ass
Synapses.
thing. What the? Okay.
Yeah, it's real moist in here. Okay, doesn't gonna tell us where to go.
All right.
I can't see
Just
diddly.
aim the probe and follow the ping. Doesn't sound too hard.
Keep peeping on a ping somewhere. Like a. What? It says where you aim. The fuck, dude! I can't see jack.
Gotta deal with my
Whoa.
blinds again.
What are you supposed to do?
I don't know, follow me. Shoot these. Oh, this is a little Bulbasaur over here.
Give it to me.
That die?
Nothing. Need to find a stronger signal ping.
Make it die.
Find a stronger signal ping.
Dude. What the bow daggett? Oh,
Still nothing.
God.
There's gotta be an active node somewhere.
Yeah, just keep shooting the nodes.
Wait, did you shoot all those
There we
things?
go, come to me.
God, Santos, it's
Talk to
moving.
me.
Don't worry, it's quite dead.
No,
Okay.
it's not.
You sound like a real smart lady.
Yeah, don't worry about
Oh
it,
my
bro.
goodness.
I don't even want to walk under that thing. Oh!
Oh! What the?
These guys are tougher. Behind you.
Oh my!
You don't like that. Get off me, bro.
I got so fat and slow.
Only so much E I can hit. Yeah, because that's stomp on there.
Can't hear or can't see. Shit.
Ow.
Oh goodness.
Reload.
Isaac, are you all right?
This thing's got one hell of a defense
never mind.
mechanism. Well, did it work?
No, the signal is just a trickle. I can't get a fix on any specific location.
All right. We're gonna find
All
another
right.
nerve cluster.
Yes, good idea. That
good.
should boost the signal.
How bad you get hurt?
Not too bad. Oh shit. We shoot all these things or?
No. But I think we shot the right one. What'd she tell us to do?
That was find another nerve somewhere.
Yeah.
I guess it's in there. Or go in here. Wait, what's over here? Oh, wait a minute. Wait, did we took this.
I think if they're moving around all happy, then we already shot them. These things are real gushers.
Wrong note. There must be a stronger ping around here somewhere.
What the fuck?
I think you can tell just by holding the laser sight over it.
Nothing. To find a
That
stronger
sucks.
signal ping.
Single ping.
Here,
Ooh.
come to me.
That's what cues are.
Yeah.
Oh shit, not again. All right.
Alright, go to the cage.
Come on.
Oh.
Come and get me.
Go to the cage, go to the cage.
Is everything okay?
Let's get behind the cage and hold them off.
Yeah.
All right side.
Look, I want to get out of here. How's the signal?
Definitely stronger, but
One more?
one more.
Great. Phone right. Oh, this guy's real happy.
My goodness.
What happens when you... Here we go. Here and then back to the cage, ready?
Yep.
Oh, mama.
Wobbling.
Can't move. Go, follow me.
Isaac, it worked! It worked! I got a fix on
Get
the
in the
machine's
cage.
location.
Santos, not now!
We're supposed to be in the cage?
I don't know.
I don't think so. Probably fine. Oh, shit.
I was thinking this way they can't get behind us. Plus I haven't got my shotgun.
That's true.
Never question my command.
Hell yeah. Oh, what the? Jelly?
Okay. That better be the last one.
Hell,
Santos, please
the-
tell me you got
grab.
what you needed.
Yes, thank you. It will take me a moment to sift through the data.
I think there's some
Fine.
back here.
I'm gonna
Yeah.
head back to the cage.
Good.
Nice.
Ready when you are, Norton! Norton!
Working.
You already did.
Santos, we have a fix on the machine?
Yes. There are thousands of signals, all
Norton.
concentrated far below the planet's surface. That has to be it. There's an entrance further up the mountain beneath a second dig site.
Further up the mountain, there's sheer cliffs.
Well, I saw some climbing
Farther
gear
up the
still
mountain?
below. Santos and I will start setting up at the base of the cliff. Norton, can you make sure Isaac gets out safely?
Sure. Sure, I'll take care of him. And Ellie,
Yeah.
I love you.
Oh, now's when he's gonna die.
What? Yeah, of course. Isaac, meet us at the cliff.
Got it.
God dang.
A whole lot of machinery. But that was a whole chapter right there.
Norton, open the cage.
You wish.
No.
What?
If you want to die here, now's your chance. I'm taking control of this mission again.
Do not leave me in this cage.
Where you going?
That guy.
Save Ellie.
I have to look up if that
No.
guy's something else.
Norton! Norton!
Still hitting your familiar bone, huh?
Yeah. Cast.
Hey, look up when the end of this
Elliot,
chapter
can you hear
is,
me?
so I know when we can cut.
Huh.
I don't
Damn
want
it.
us to redo
Jim, my
10
signal.
minutes every time. If we...
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
Back to the elevator. Surprise, surprise! Go to the elevator.
Do we turn on the elevator and make it go?
So you gonna keep your probe gun?
Oh.
We might still need it. Let's see if we can get rid of it.
It does a lot of damn, but I don't know.
It's too similar to my other gun that also does a lot of damn and has a shotgun on it.
Yeah, it's pretty. The burst is hella slow and shit.
Come on, Billy.
I'm coming, baby.
I love you, Sarge.
Get
I love you too, son. You know what that's from?
Major Pain, maybe?
No.
No.
The like the opener video to the Terran campaign in StarCraft.
Oh.
Which you probably never played because you only do the shooties.
No, I think I played one or two. I forget which one.
Oh, they were about 12 years apart or something like that. Probably you played one.
Oh, yeah.
Or did you play two? I didn't.
It was
like
like
another bench.
It might have been two. Oh, sweet.
Like 2 years ago instead of 15.
No, it was definitely like 10, 15, like 15
Yeah,
years ago.
that was just regular.
Oh, okay. What the hell? Isn't there a 3? Is it come out or is it coming out or something?
You wouldn't believe.
They're just doing expansions.
Dude, unless my graphics card is defective, just keeps making like.
Hey, it's our friend from the beginning.
The marker killer, Isaac Clarke.
Oh yeah, Elton John.
And here we are. The marker homeworld. You know,
Wearing the same thing.
It's Gary Oldman.
Existed. But thanks to your friend, Norton, I finally found it.
Oh
That's
yeah.
how they followed us through shock space.
Oh, he is a bright
British
one.
accent on.
All he wants is Isaac. Carver, the rest of us can go home. Deluded son of a bitch. Hey!
You've got me. Let the others go.
It's a very difficult thing, you know, undoing the damage man has done. Everything we touch, we contaminate, we corrupt. The markers had a
We'll
plan
just
for us,
fucking
but we
destroy
took what
everything.
should have been a
It's great.
magnificent gift
Yeah.
and perverted it.
Jesus, spare us the bullshit.
Actually, I guess not.
I've spent an entire lifetime trying to undo the damage man has done. Fighting EarthGov's ongoing research, liberating the markers from those profane testing facilities. And now,
Taking advantage of this poor ball.
I just have one problem left to purge. All of you.
No.
This is
No,
the
you
guy that
promised me a
sounds
ship,
familiar
damn
to
it.
me.
We had a deal.
Yes, I'm sorry about that. But I can't afford to leave even one of you left alive.
Oh wait, kill him now! Hurry up!
Apologies for misleading you, Captain.
Ah, knew it.
No way, we don't play that.
Oh,
That guy looks pretty tough. Oh, he's not.
So sticky.
Where are those? I feel like we should have those grenades, and we don't.
Yeah, dude.
Here.
We should have like dozens of them in your
Didn't
pockets.
we throw a damn grenade in the beginning?
I don't think so.
X to get behind cover.
I don't remember doing that. Wow. Oh shit, where's my dang?
Yeah, the electric gun is nice.
Oh,
Oh, that's our friend.
it's a freaking organic tornado.
Dude, that guy. No, that's not our friend. That's the big boy. Not our little
He's
crab
like-
buddy.
Sarge just lost it right there.
Can you blame him? Oh, I'm gonna get nom nom.
Uh-oh.
Get ready to press E a lot.
Oh my god. It's like
What the fuck? We did.
it's awesome. Like the eyeballs.
I feel like I couldn't do anything there.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, I got cut in half.
That was quick. Start running.
Oh no, he's doing
Can't
different
stasis
things.
him.
Oh.
I don't think
nice.
he can stasis his balls. Just roll, even though the roll is like 2 inches.
Oh yeah.
What the hell is he doing?
Well, it's like a
Shoot
glowy
that.
thing here. Oh, get out of here.
Shot the hell out of him.
Ah.
Shoot him while he's sucking me. Oh, I can shoot. Did you hit him? The mouth bit? Oh, tentacle bitties. mean, skeleton biddies. You know what I'm talking about.
Oh shit.
Keep
Oh,
running
thank
sideways when he rears up the paw claw.
What's going on here?
I think we're just pissing it off! Oh, it's working!
Oh shit, get out here. Reload it!
This is tense, bro.
What the hell?
A lot of duders.
Oh shit.
You down?
No, I'm good.
Oh.
Bruh, I clearly dodged that.
Bruh.
Come on, man.
I don't think you're very good at this game.
Uh-oh. What happened? Oh, no. Oh, reload. Oh, shit!
Gonna kill him.
Oh, no. Oh, oh, piece of crap.
Maybe that's supposed to happen?
Yeah, it kind of looked like it.
Yeah. Alright.
Oh, no.
Belly of the beast again.
Nice.
Maybe we shouldn't have woken that up because we had to do our probing. Oh, now I'm in a sphincty.
Oh, no.
You see this?
Yeah.
Oh, green sphincter juice.
Oh, no. Oh.
Crap. Oh.
Oh. Whoa!
I'm out of my element, Donnie. Shoot
Okay.
that.
Oh!
Oh. Ow, dude. Too many deuterinos.
Ah!
Shoot the yellow balls. Can't
Hell
hit
yeah.
it.
And the
Try to get it with
balls.
a grenade.
What the fuck is this shit? Oh, wow.
Oh, yeah. Grenading's better.
Uh-oh.
Alright.
That's alright. Mine's so gone now. Oh my god!
Jesus. Done woke up on the wrong side of the bed.
Ah! Loud! Wait,
I wouldn't want anything inside tickling my sphincty.
Oh!
Ow.
What the hell?
You made us come down here. You encouraged her. Now look where we are. Between Danik shooting
How's he
us.
chilling just
Fuck that
fine?
What chance have we got?
He's just right there.
You betrayed us! I tried to save us. You are the real problem here, Clark, but not anymore.
Captain!
Stand down, Sergeant. This is all your fucking fault. She doesn't love you.
Oh, yeah.
Nice. Hell yeah.
Finally.
That
Right to heat.
was easy.
I don't think I was aiming at his head, but that's where the bullet went.
Oh, fuck.
Excellent
Come on.
shot.
Thank you.
He won't stay dead forever, not around here. I'm not gonna tell Ellie. Hey, you tell her the truth. Now let's go.
Yeah. I will. Thanks, John. Whatever the fuck
Yeah.
your name is.
Yeah. Look, I was aiming for his balls, but I accidentally shot him in the head.
You have the picture of me and Ellie, and he ripped me off the picture.
That'd be hella funny.
What a dick.
Freaking weirdo, man. Wait, does he have any loot? Yeah.
No, and I don't think I got a bunch of the loot that was on the ground. I wasn't expecting to get sucked in.
Excellent. Mutilated.
Still got a lot of ammo. Oh my god, I got a lot of health too. Alright, Dan.
Alright,
Fill
Dan.
up.
Scab man.
A honey one badger.
The fuck?
What do you think's in here? Should we go in there? No.
Nah. I'll
Ain't
just check
nobody
it
got
out.
time for that.
Nah, I'm just kidding.
Oh. The ladies are still just oh me home.
Oh. Oh. Did it tell her that soon? I thought she was like further away.
Where's Robert? Is he?
He did. He did.
I shot him, Ellie.
What?
She was heterochromo.
I had no choice.
Ohos.
I didn't really have
betrayed
choice.
us, Ellie. He was ready to kill us. Isaac did what he had to do to save the mission. Come on. We gotta keep
Come
moving.
on.
Now there are only 4 of us left.
Yeah, he was not helping.
I can't do this.
Then we leave you behind. If you can't keep your head, you're a danger to everybody.
You're horrible.
Nobody's leaving anybody. Now come on. Let's get to the top of this mountain. Together. Together.
Reach for the sky. Alright, look, activate.
Ooh.
Need you to activate the other one. Let's grab this loot real quick.
Fuck yeah.
Good grab.